transactions, and it helps explain the Bitcoin transactions and blocks in plain English. So as we go, I will explain all of the terms that are involved in the same. First mode is transaction mode, and there are two modes in which the transactions operate. First is transaction mode. I have applied the fixture JSON for the same, and let's analyze this transaction. So here we see that it decodes a transaction and explain in inputs, outputs, as well as the fee involved for the same. What is this fee? This is fee meant for the miners who add the transactions to the blocks. Then we have the value flow graph that involves the input. The user sent 10,000, 100,000 sats, that is the satoshis, which is the dimension for the Bitcoin, or the transaction done. Then there were two outputs involved and the network fee. The network fee was meant for the miner. Okay, so the second mode we have is of the block mode. Every block contains multiple transactions. I have already added the .dat files that were the block data file and the ZOR file and the records file meant for the same. So let's analyze by running the code again. Okay, so it starts with the transaction counts, total fees involved, and the average fee rate. The total weight determines what was the total amount of uh, area or the weight of that particular transaction, and the weight per unit v bytes decide what will be the fees involved for that particular transaction. And for the quick glossary, we have some terms like the SegWit. SegWit is a witness data outside the base transaction bytes. Every byte is of 4 MB, and the SegWit adds the value. If we involve in the main data, it will add up to the 4 MB byte. But if we remove it from and add in a separate section within the transaction, it will take only 1 MB. Then we have a particular term named as RPF, which is the replace by fee, which means that we can rewrite the entry with a higher fee before finalization. So this was the complete chain length that turns the raw blockchain bytes into a plain English story with the old value spent, a new value that was created, and the fees paid in between the process and the signal sent present during the whole transaction. Thanks.